airport. It's 4:30 a.m. and I'm heading to Seattle to get the drift car. I'm flying and I'm gonna drive back. Let's do it. I'm super excited to start this drift project. I got this BMW 330i and I'm flying to Seattle right now. I'm gonna pick it up and drive back home. And let's get it started. The car looks awesome. It's pretty clean. I just saw in the pictures that has the filter is a sport one. The catch can looks like that is aftermarket, so I think whoever had that car likes it. Has 200,000 miles, so I need to probably do something on that stuff, but I'm not worried about it right now. So I'm just gonna get the car and drive 5 hours home. Let's check it out. All right, at Seattle Airport now, heading to the, I'm gonna get a bus. I'm gonna get a bus and Uber. Otherwise it's gonna take too long, it's gonna be too expensive. Yeah, now it's 7 a.m. We have 30 minutes till the bus gets here, so I'm just gonna wait. I was going to start walking, but that's not gonna change anything. Might go to a gas station somewhere. I don't know. Maybe just wait. Bus stop. This one is sketchy. What? We're gonna make it. Last one. So got out. Well, I almost missed my stop, but I think I'm getting there. So I'm just walking to the place right now. I think I can see Wilson Auto. Let's check it out. There you go. That's the car. Look, it has nice wheels. Body's kind of fucked up. Nice here. Screwed up in there. Not big deal though. It's lowered already. And this part here is screwed bad, but it doesn't affect anything. Inside is turbo. It's kind of dirty. Here it's kind of broken. But anyway, it doesn't quite matter. Back there, I mean, there's some stuff here. I think all the parts are in the trunk. All right, just got my beauty here. And this fine gentleman is helping me, Joshua. So he's selling that Fiero for how much?
I'm gonna give it to you if you bring a trailer.
All right, so you bring a trailer and get that car and buy something else because they do very good deals for you. And it's Wilson Motors at, what is the address again?
18501 Pacific Avenue South, Spanaway, Washington.
There you go. And that will be my drift car. And he'll be on YouTube.
Hook 'em horns.
Right on. And thank you. Got the car. So the tires were very screwed. And I stopped here to got a good deal in some used tires. I just want to get home at this point. And so then I could have figured out that this car has already coilovers in front, which is great because it has everything I need to start drifting. I stopped at a place that the guy that did $1,000 job on this car. He replaced the joints and a bunch of stuff underneath. So he said the transmission is great Those were my tires. Look at this one. And this one. So the other one, I think is that one was kind of alright, but I'm not taking it. This is very nice, huh? So I'm pretty sure the kid was drifting with this, which is awesome. That's what I want to do. Okay, so radiator is aftermarket. Let me show you. That's this guy here, which has a that thing where you put the water, which is also aftermarket. This is also aftermarket, which is the oil, and the steering wheel fluid. And problem is they start using clamps instead of using the click stuff from factory BMW, and this is leaking a little bit here, not doing anything, and under here is leaking. So I got JB Weld aluminum, because this is aluminum, and I'm gonna put right there. So mixing it, I just need to make it home, so I'm sort of cleaning, and I'm gonna put half of this on one side, half on the other side. Let's see how it goes. The engine is very hot still, but I put some in there, and I brought all the way up here just to hold it a little better. Not sure. Well, it's better than nothing. And when I get back home, there's another one on the other side, because I don't know exactly where it's leaking from. Oh, it's burning. So then I'll fix it properly, but you know, for now, this is more than I could wish for. It is has a bunch of aftermarket stuff. Definitely the kid was drifting with this. I'm trying to take my gloves off, because the spare tire was you're gonna see picture right here. I'm gonna point this side, but I never know when I edit which side that is, so I'm just making stuff up. But it's right here. All right, that's the status. I'm eating some McDonald's. Put JB Weld on the aluminum. Made a little ball. The little ball got hardened, and so that was fine. Now I have a little bit of traffic. There's happening here. I don't have traffic, but there is traffic. And temperature is always in half, so I have no idea what that means. If it means that, oh, there's an accident, that the thing is not connected, or it's actually in half. So car's driving good so far. I have all the miles to go. 330, I guess. I'm back in a second.
Sun in the sky, sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Birds flying high. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel.
And so far I'm happy. I think I'll make it alright to Spokane, and I need to do an oil change and filter. I'm excited to see what the guy has in here. I think the headers are aftermarket too, because I can see the color. The color is different. It's not like just stock headers. Yeah. And I drift a little bit. I gotta get serious. I don't want to do too much because I want to get home. Get home! Alright, so this is the mountain pass. They had a sign down there saying chain up. Anyway, so here the speed is 70 miles per hour, so everybody goes 80. And I'm kind on 75 because I'm kind of managing the RPMs. I can smell oil, and I don't have an extra oil. I didn't anticipate that it would burn some oil because it has 220,000 miles. But anyway, I can smell more oil right now, so I better slow down a little bit. And it reminds me of Brazil when we go to the south beaches. Anyway, and that's it for now. Enjoy the ride. I had no oil, zero. Let's see how it is now. I put like 3. Oh, now it's kind of good. There goes one more. I put 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna put the 4th one. And I found here that he use normal 5W30, so we don't mix. One more. We're back on the road. All the oil in the engine was gone. And when I took the cab, I don't know, because I never took the cab after the car runs. Just next day, or you know, in the morning, it was like smoking inside. I think it's normal, but I don't know. The car made a noise when they turned off. So no good. I bought more oil, put shoot stone of oil there, at least 3 liters, or maybe a gallon, 3 liters, 3.5 liters a gallon. And yeah, now I'm here. Wow, look at this, all fire. We had smoke from this in Spokane. It's 300 miles, 200 miles from here. I hope I don't need, I have 160 miles to go. I hope I don't need to fill up oil anymore. Alright, just because I said that. Some slow people in front of me. Okay. Yeah, it smells like oil. It's definitely burning a lot. But I don't know. I gotta measure like how many miles it burns, how many liters. Anyway, shut up, Marcus. Made it to Spokane! Oh my god. Yesterday was too late. I stopped at mother-in-law, ate some food, and when I realized I didn't get time to get a video of beauty, let's do a walk around. So it made home. I put 4 quarts like that of oil. I just realized there was 530 because there was an empty one out there. I don't know what this thing hanging here is. I see some oil here, but I'm not sure if it's from there. But anyway, there's the header is upgraded for sure. This is aftermarket. This is aftermarket. This is aftermarket. This is the power steering. It's also aftermarket. I think this is the return. It's called catch can. I don't know. It's the return from the water. So whatever overflows in here gets in there. I just went for a ride this morning. It doesn't sound very good, but let's see. You can see there's water down there. Yeah, you definitely can see. So you see the upgraded filter sensors there. I don't know why the air sensor is there. Well, I do know why, but I don't know. It's not working. The grill in here is missing. No big deal. Car looks kind of great. Besides this little crashing there, but you know, it's a drift car anyway. So yeah, inside it's all right, but you know, some hanging parts here, missing parts there. Look at the sunroof. It's nothing like that I can't fix, but I don't want to fix. This will be a drift car mainly. You can see I already have coilovers, and you can adjust the camber, so you know. And it's lowered. Look at that. It's so low. Look at how. What is the distance of the clearance? I can barely get out of my house. But you know, I just need to figure it out now, where the noise is coming from, and see what I need to replace on this car to make this reliable. I'm gonna finish Monica first, make it run, and then I'll play with this one. For now, I guess I'm just going to guarantee that there's oil in it and be happy. Alright, so that's my drift project for 2018. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, do it. And also check out my website, www.carmodsgarage.com. Thank you.